my oldest friend in my life. I was with him from the first standard. And this is Stephen Pinto and his wife Asha Pinto.
Hi, everybody.
And I'm so proud to have him today as my oldest buddy and friend from the first standard in school. You know what that means? That's more than 70, 75 years. I'd like you to introduce you to him, and I thank you so much, Asha and Stephen, for coming. And
Congratulations. Congratulations.
thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you. Come.
Excuse coming inside?
So now we just do your solo pictures.
Is that ठीक है? Right, center, left, right? Yes, perfect. Right, center, left. Okay. And then very easy, right, center, left. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So why? Yeah. So it's an honor and a pleasure to know you and know your journey through your book. I did it my way. Today is a grand launch in Mumbai. You've had a larger than life launch in Dubai itself a few days back. Tell us about your entire journey, about the book. About we want to know more about you.
Well, I've spoken a lot about myself, but today I'm so happy that you all, friends of you all, are here, and I'll be able to tell you all about the book. This book was written. It took me about 4 years to write this book, and it's a labor of love, and it's not about I, me, myself, and what I have achieved or not. It's about the mistakes that a man makes in his life, and what are the cause and effects of these mistakes, and how it affects the people around you, like your wife, children, parents, friends, business associates, and how this has happened, and what are the effects of it, and how it affects so many people around you. And this is a very honest story about the mistakes that I've made in my life, and what has been the result of it. And I have faced the consequences of it in different manners. But basically, I can't undo what I did, but at least you realize, and I want this book is about for people to realize that before they take any impulsive decisions or emotional or immediate decisions, before you leap, please think about what you're doing and how it would affect all your near and dear ones. And I have made that mistakes not once, but maybe twice, thrice, 4 times in my life, and there are no excuses for that. And I have admitted to all my mistakes, and I have been trying to rectify them. So this is not about a glory book about myself and my achievements. We all write about it, but it's about all these things about me and how I'm trying to mend them, and so that these mistakes are not made by the future generation of what I have done. I mean, leave the success and leave the fame and everything else aside, which by God's grace I have got. But still inside you, there remains something that you have affected so many people. And this book is about that. And I hope you all read it and like it and learn from it. Thank you so much.
This is the only book which just not talks about your journey, but about your journey in Bollywood, which is amazing. I mean, we've not seen a beautiful confluence like this ever. Your journey, talks about Vinod Mehra, talks about, so many Bollywood friends of yours today, Shatrughan Sinha, Anupam Khetri, they all are going to be part of it.
Yes,
Rohit
yes,
Tendulkar,
yes,
Rakesh Roshan.
yes.
Tell us a little bit about that.
My journey has been right through, and my Bollywood friends, I've dedicated the book to Mr. Sunil Dutt, and the foreword is written by Mr. Shatrughan Sinha, and I have here Dal, how are you, sir?
मैन बिहाइंड द मैन की कहानी बड़ी मज़ेदार है मेरे ख्याल
Definitely want to know about that.
आओ इधर आइए।
नहीं आप आइए।
आप आइए ना सामने।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हो?
आपको पहचान कराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। हमारे बड़े अजीज़ दोस्त अनुपम जी आज अपना टाइम स्पेयर करके आए हैं मेरे लिए, एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू हिम।
सो राजन जी से मेरी मुलाकात 1983 में हुई थी, 82-83 में। ये महेश भट्ट साहब की बिल्डिंग के नीचे रहते थे, ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे। और जब भी मैं भट्ट साहब के यहाँ से स्ट्रगल करके आता था तो इनके घर पे खाना खाता था। तो आई वॉज जस्ट ए स्ट्रगलिंग एक्टर, पर इनके यहाँ पर मुझे खाना, इनके कंधे पर आँख में आंसू रोकना, कभी कभी ड्रिंक भी देते थे। फिर मुझे जब भट्ट साहब ने सारांश की शूटिंग से 10 दिन पहले निकाल दिया तो मैं इनके पास आकर बहुत काफ़ी मैंने रोया, श्राप व्राप दिया भट्ट साहब को। But I'm always thankful to him for being kind to me at a time when life was very tough, and he's a kind man, and I did it my way। इनको बिल्कुल सूट करता है, बिकॉज इन्होंने पूरी ज़िंदगी जो है अपने दम पर जी है, और अपने दम पर ही इन्होंने अभी तक, इस बात को 40-42 साल हो गए हैं, बट he's a great man। I'm so happy to be here,
And
so happy।
he's a great man too. And Saransh was the beginning of his career in life, and he has done over 550 films since then. And he is an immense character in films. You've all seen it. But more than that, he's a great human being with a big heart. And we've been, I think, over 40 years friends.
Yes, yes।
And our journey has been really phenomenal. And I'm so happy and proud that he's here on my occasion today to launch my book.
I have to go to Ahmedabad, but I cancelled that। I mean, I'm going there a little later।
Good.
और एक फोटो खींचा मेरे। हाँ हाँ। तू मेरा कैमरा इधर मेरे सामने।
Please speak a few words. He's a very close and dear friend of mine, and the son of the famous Manmohan Desai. So I would like him to say a few words, please.
Well, what do I say? Rajan Bhai is not only a friend, but my older brother. And a person who has written a book needs tremendous guts to write about oneself's mistakes, and I don't think anybody has ever done that before. He is a man with such a golden heart, and his doors for his home are always open for everyone, something which is remarkable. I really wish him all the very best for today, and we had a super book launch in Dubai last month, and now we are in Mumbai. All the best, Rajan Bhai.
Thank you, Ketan.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ketan. Thank you.
Any memories about this novel?
Haji,
Which memories आप share करना चाहेंगे about this novel?
अभी memories अंदर
With the media?
no such memories at the moment, but all I know He's my older brother. That's it. I know. Thank you. Thank you for signing. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Rajan, you should be in the middle. No, middle. But today is your day.
Come in front.
कुछ speech चाहिए क्या?
Yes. Today, my friends, I would like you to introduce you to Mr. Dinesh Nair and Madhu Nair, who of course, the owners of this beautiful hotel, and he has hosted us and taken such good care of us and looked after us, and on a very personal basis,
As
he's
family.
been coming, and
As
he's
family.
family.
Yeah.
And I've known him for like now nearly what 45, 50 years.
Nearly 50 years.
50 years, and they are here today to encourage me and bless me for my launch. Madhu, can you please stay?
Madhu, please come.
Please come.
Blessings are from God. Our good wishes to my dearest friend.
Please say something.
Yeah, that's it.
Please say something. Please say something. Please say something.
Yeah, Mr. Rajan Lal is nothing but a family to us. Known him for 50 years. That's quite a long time. And today we are here to celebrate his life story. Thank you very much. Okay?
Thank you. Madhu, would you like to say something?
No, he said
Please.
it for us. No,
Please say something. Please. No?
So, we didn't want to be late.
That's my sister. I would like to Manju Babeja, she's my sister. She's from here. This is my partner, companion, friend, and my life partner. And he's been a major source of strength to me since our stuff. Son and my daughter-in-law, Nikhil and Nupur. They are here with me, they've been with me all through my journey. And I'm blessed to have them with me today. And come here.
Dad is an amazing guy. He's one of the people that are very inspirational to many, especially to me. he's one of those guys that has an incredible story. So this book is going to be very interesting for future generations. I think there's a lot of lessons to be learned from his life, of things to do and things not to do. So I think I've seen Dad in very close quarters, and he's an incredible businessman, and he's an incredible person who really is able to look at himself critically, which is very important. A lot of people don't do that. And he's lived a very full life, which I don't think a lot of people can say for themselves. So he should be very proud, and I'm very proud of him. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. Yeah? Oh, yes.
This is one of my oldest friends, Mr. Ashok Rajani, and his wife. And during my old garment days, he's a very big garment exporter, and he still is. And it's so nice of him after nearly 40 years, 45 years to have
But
connected.
you've kept in touch all these years.
Please say something.
One of the most large-hearted and a wonderful human being I have known. It's been 40 years since we've been in touch and out of touch. But whenever we meet, it rebounds as if we've just met again. I wish him all the best.
Thank you so much, Ashok. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm always on that side, so मुझे थोड़ा
Ma'am is editor of Filmfare, Middle East. Now she's an author, writing books and a lot of other things, which we know soon.
अच्छा Yes. Well, the book is about 620 pages, so I think they are asking to be quiet. So. Okay, the book can be kept there? Okay, so the book took me 4 years to be written, and it stands 620 pages. It's got pictures from 1924 to 2024, and it's a very important book because it's got some really old photos of Bollywood. You have Madhubala, you have all Devanand, Dilip Kumar, very rare pictures. ये pictures किसी ने देखी नहीं है, ये नई pictures हैं, इनकी family में जो थी वो pictures हैं ये. तो बहुत छांटे हमने, बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स में से हमने इतनी पिक्चर्स डाले हैं, नहीं तो बुक 4 एडिशंस की हो जाती, 1000 पेज के ऊपर हो जाती तो कोई नहीं पढ़ता. अभी 620 की नंबर 620, सो होपफुली लोग पढ़ेंगे उसको. एंड आई वुड लॉट ऑफ लाइफ लेसन्स इन द बुक. मिस्टर लाल जर्नी इज़ वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. ही इज समबडी हु इज़ हैड द ब्रूटल ऑनेस्ट, ही इज़ अ ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट पर्सन. तो फिर आई लाइक यू टू रीड इट एंड दैट्स ऑल. गुड लक एंड थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग. मैं यूजली उस साइड पे होती हूँ, मुझे इस तरफ रेयरली होने को होता है, बट आई थिंक या राइट यस. Right. So the beauty is yes. So विनोद मेहरा इनके बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड रह चुके हैं, मिस्टर राजन लाल के. और जब उनसे मेरी बात हो रही थी उनके बारे में वो चैप्टर के लिए, तो मैंने देखा कि उनकी आंखों में आंसू थे. उनके इतने प्यारे दोस्त थे वो. तो वो आई फाउंड दैट वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बिकॉज ही इज़ समबडी हु कीप्स हिज फ्रेंड्स वेरी क्लोज टू हिज हार्ट. एंड ये सारे उनके जो भी नाम इन्होंने बोले हैं वो सारे उनके दोस्त थे. So you have a lot of instances in the book which are very personal, between two people. और ये हमने थोड़ा सा present किया है बाहर. ऐसे बहुत सारी stories हैं जो हम लिख ही नहीं पाए because we can't write them. But there are many stories that are very beautiful about the book. Then अनुपम खेर जी को तो आपको पता है कि सारांश का जो रोल था वो is because of Mr. लाल. उन्होंने उनको encourage किया महेश भट्ट को कि वो उनको वो रोल दें. So that is one important part of the book. और भी लोग हैं इस जर्नी में जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लोग हैं. सुनील दत्त इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द बुक. वो उनके मेंटोर रह चुके हैं एंड हैज़ बीन थ्रू हिज जर्नीज व्हेन संजय दत्त वेंट टू जेल एंड ही वाज देयर व्हेन दे वेंट टू टेक हिम फ्रॉम जेल. सो वो भी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है कि इन्होंने फ़ोन नंबर उनको, आई थिंक ही गिफ्टेड देम सेल फोन्स विद द बर्थ डेट्स ऑन देम. ऐसे बहुत इंस्टेंसेस हैं बुक के बारे में. पढ़िए ज़रूर एंड आई होप यू ऑल लाइक इट एंड एन्जॉय इट. So thank you for coming and thank you for being part of the evening. Yeah.
Yeah.
About you, but the whole family in I Did It My Way. What do you have to say? Your fond memories about this?
Lots of fond memories of my father and Mr. Rajan Lal, and I think it's really wonderful that he's been able to really pen down his entire life in this book. I'm very excited about it because I think I don't know a lot about his life except the time when he was with my father, and I'm looking forward to reading this book.
Any memory of both of them together that you have that you can share with us, or anything special?
So I think the relationship between Rajan and my dad was very, very special. They were very good friends, but I think it was like a father and son relationship, you know, which I learnt little later. And I remember Rajan always pampering my father. You know, every time he used to come and meet my father, he would get him a little gift, and that would really excite my father and have this big smile on his face, and he used to show off the gift, see what Rajan got for me. So I think it was a beautiful and a lovely relationship that they shared. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, first of all, my heartiest congratulations to dearest Rajan Bhai, and we go back very long way. And of course, music was the common factor which bind us together. And not only is he a great music lover, but a very sensitive person, and we immediately, kind of bonded with him. And we've done so many shows with him. We've performed in his house. In fact, his house was one of the first places where Roop Kumar ji performed, and consequently we performed in Dubai. And I think it's going to be a very, very interesting read. So all the best to him always. Thank you.
Thank you.
Of ITL group of companies of Mr. Rajan Lal. And Mr. Lal I knew closely for about 8 years. I am quite honored to be here for this function of release of his book, and I wish him all success. Thank you so much.
नमस्कार। बड़ा ही आज का दिन मंगलमय है तथा अत्यंत जीवन का एक अलग सा जो दिन कहा जाता है वो भी है। साईं बाबा की कृपा से 8 तारीख को जो दुबई में राजन लाल जी ने जो प्रोग्राम रखा था उसमें भी बाबा का आदेश हुआ जाने के लिए, और कल ही हम महाकुंभ जाके आए और आज बाबा बोले भागो। यहाँ आने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कि सभी साई परिवार यहाँ हमें मिलने को आया है। सिन्हा साहब हो, हमारे शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा साहब का हमारा लगभग 83 से हमारा एक परिवार का संबंध है, आप लोगों का ही। लेकिन राजन लाल जी, आपसे सीखने लायक बात है कि आपने जिनको जिनको एक बार पाया वो उन्होंने आपको हमेशा हमेशा के लिए कोई भी आपके पास से दूर नहीं गया। मैं आपको यहाँ शुभ आशीर्वाद देना चाहता हूँ, उसका स्वीकार करें। एक एक दिया ओम द्यो शांतिरंतरिक्षज्ञो शांति पृथिवी शांतिरापः शांतिरोखदयाः शांति वनस्पतयः शांतिर्विश्वे देवाः शांतिर्ब्रह्म शांति सर्वज्ञो शांतिः शांतिरेव शांतिः सामा शांतिरेधि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सद्गुरु साईनाथ देवता प्रसादात् परिपूर्णमस्तु।
धन्यवाद सुलागे महाराज जी, धन्यवाद बहुत बहुत।
I was very touched that he felt that I was compromising with my dignity because I was looking for work and I had no place to stay, and he was very kind to me, and that's what those days one needed, kindness, because in the city when you are a drama school student and इस भीड़ में आप अपनी पहचान ढूंढ रहे हैं तो कोई आदमी आपसे काइंडली बोले कि आप चाय पीजिए, टेंशन मत लीजिए, सब ठीक हो जाएगा। और उसके बाद जब भी मैं भट्ट साहब के यहाँ जाता था तो वो मुझे ज्ञान देते थे, अच्छा ज्ञान, नॉट लाइक वे, एंड ये मुझे खाना देते थे, बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट था। आई रिमेंबर हिज अंडे की भुर्जी, ब्रेड एंड लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स, एंड देन नॉट मेनी पीपल नो that I was thrown out of the film just 10 days before Saransh's shooting was to start, and मेरी जगह हरि भाई को ले रहे थे। तो फिर मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था कि मैं इस शहर में नहीं रहूँगा। मैंने अपना सामान पैक किया और मैं बॉम्बे सेंट्रल जाने लगा। फिर मुझे लगा अब तो मुझे भट्ट साहब से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है, अब मैं जाकर उनको बता सकता हूँ मैं उनके बारे में क्या सोचता हूँ। फिर मैं उनकी लिफ्ट काम नहीं कर रही थी और ये शायद नीचे थे नहीं, तो मैं उनके घर गया। मैंने उनसे कहा कि आप सत्य पे फिल्म बना रहे हैं, आप में सत्य नहीं है, आपने मुझे 6 महीने तक मैं इस फिल्म की रिहर्सल करता रहा और अब आप 10 दिन पहले मुझे निकाल रहे हैं। जब गुस्सा बहुत क्लाइमैक्स पे होता है तो यू वांट टू एंड इट विद अ गुड लाइन, तो मुझे कुछ लाइन सूझ नहीं रही थी। तो फिर मैंने उनसे कहा कि मैं ब्राह्मण हूँ, मैं आपको श्राप देता हूँ। और ये बोलते हुए मैं बहुत रो भी रहा था, परेशान भी था। और नीचे फिर मुझे ये मिले तो मैंने कहा मुझे फिल्म से निकाल दिया, मैं शिमला जा रहा हूँ वापस। तो उन्होंने कहा वो कुछ खा लो, कहते मेरे यहीं पर डिसाइड हुआ था संजीव भाई को लेना है। बट what I want to say actually about him, that when you are looking for a destination, you look for a tree under whose shade you want to sit down. So Rajan was the tree which gave me shade in those days, and that's what is very important. Because मंजिल तो मेरी फिल्मों में काम करना था, लेकिन इनकी जब इनका प्यार, जो इनका मुझे काइंडनेस दिखी, वो अभी भी बरकरार है। मुझे लगता है कि कुछ रिश्ते टेप रिकॉर्डर की तरह होते हैं, पॉज बटन की तरह। आप पॉज हटाओ तो वहीं से शुरू होते हैं जहाँ से आपने छोड़े थे। थैंक यू राजन फॉर बीइंग सो काइंड, एंड गुड लक and I saw mine and Kiran's picture. It reminded me of gave me so many memories. And the biggest tribute paid to you today is Shatruji coming here exactly on time. That means he loves you so much, and that should be the headline of every event that you are doing from tomorrow onwards. Thank you so much. I have to take a flight. God bless you all. Thank you.
Versatile. तालियां एकदम भरपूर और जोरदार. Once again, thank you sir, thank you for coming. शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत. Now can we watch that AV? दुबई में जो 8 फरवरी को लॉन्च हुआ, उसकी कुछ झलकियां हम आपसे शेयर करना चाहते हैं.
है, लेकिन उस 10 सालों में मुझे इतना प्यार दिया है, इतना प्यार मिला राजन भाई, और मैं इसलिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि डाइस पे खड़ा हूँ. He knows and I know that how much we love each other. So thank you Rajan bhai for showing us the way, and I'm sure we will learn a lot from this book.
Thank you so much to give me this honor to represent Dad today, Rajan. Thank you very, very much. I know, I mean, it would be very different if he was here. And all I can say about Rajan and my father's relationship is, it was a very unique one. When I got to know Rajan, I was very young. I was, I think, very young, and my memory. Yes.
So I like to be here with her.
I remember coming to his office with Dad. I remember there was an inauguration in your office. And I was like taken aback by seeing that big office, and you know, everything was wow. Sai Baba ki badi murti thi, wahan puja ho raha tha, and that was my first thing of Rajan, you know, Dad's friend, and wow, what a great office and everything. And from there on, you know, I think their relationship built, and I always saw Rajan as my father's friend. So earlier I used to call you uncle. Then I realized the relationship is not just a friend. I think it was much more. It was like a father and son relationship. And I always remember that, you know, whenever Rajan used to come and meet my father, he used to get him little gifts. Pens and watches, and my father would be so excited. It was like this child who's getting a gift, and he would have this big smile on his face, and he used to show off, see what Rajan has got for me today, you know. So I think that was that really wonderful, sweet relationship. And I also want to say that we saw Auntie's blessings for you, Rajan, and I think you have really lived up to those blessings, because all your relationships that you've maintained all these years, and we can see this entire house is full of all the people who love and care for you, and I'm really overwhelmed to see that, and I can see so many people here who have been part of that journey with you, with my father, and you know, and you thought of me today to represent Dad has been a very big moment for me. So thank you for having me here for this big day. And I'm really, really looking forward to reading the book, because there is so much about you I don't know. So much. And I'm really looking forward to understand what your life has been, with the good, the bad, and the ugly. So why not? I think that's a great way of, you know, being so honest about your life. And you've penned it all down in a book, which is wonderful.
Thank you so much. Before she goes, she has to go a little early. And I'd like to thank Priya for coming today. And especially because the book is dedicated to Dutt Saab. My fond love memories, Dutt Saab, is all because of my friend and mentor, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. And please give him a round of applause. And I met Dutt Saab through Shatruji, and I am always be grateful to you for having introduced me to him. And we've had some lovely times together in our bungalow in Andheri. But Dutt Saab has been an inspiration to me all my life. And his positivity, his determination, his grit, and he actually lived his life his way. And this book is dedicated to him because he did it his way. And even if I am 10% or 20% of that Saab, or what I've seen and learned from him, I think my life has been successful. Another person who's been a great source of inspiration and inspiration and motivation for me has been Mr. Shatrughan Sinha today. And big round of applause to him for coming. And he has also written the foreword of my book. And it's so nice of him today that he has planned to grace the occasion as our chief guest. And I thank you, sir, for coming. And Jitu ji, thank you, sir. We've been friends. Rakesh ji, Shashi, Sonu, Poonam, thank you so much for coming, Anu. That all of our friends, we last 40 years, 45 years friendship. And this celebration or launch of the book is less of a celebration, more of a reunion of old friends like Mr. Dinesh Nair, who's sitting here, who is the owner of Leela Hotel. And I must thank him for hosting us and hosting this whole occasion. He has been very hands-on and an old friend of 50 years for me. And I would like to thank you, Dinesh and Madhu, for being here. I'd like to thank Mr. Ketan Desai and Kanchan for coming. And Mr. Kanchan and Ketan. Ketan came for my Dubai launch. Thank you, Ketan, for coming so much. And all my other friends who've been here, who've come from Dubai and from Delhi and everywhere else. And thank you so much for all coming here and being here today. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bri. Let me give you your book.
थैंक यू सो मच प्रियादा, थैंक यू सो मच राजन सर, शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत। और जैसा कि सर ने कहा है कि मोर देन अ बुक लॉन्च, दिस इज़ अ फ्रेंड्स रियूनियन। कुछ दोस्त यहाँ पर नहीं आ पाए, उनसे भी आपको वीडियो के ज़रिए हम मिलवा देंगे। एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री जिसका चर्चा हो रहा है आजकल दुनिया भर में, और उसके पहले भी जिन्होंने हमें ज़बरदस्त फिल्में दी है, एक्टर, डायरेक्टर, और मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि इनकी फिल्मों में सेकेंड हाफ में जो एक उम्मीद मिलती है, जो हमारे अंदर का हीरो जागता है। बहुत सारी फिल्मों के मैं नाम ले सकता हूँ, लेकिन ज़ोरदार तालियां बजी चाहिए राकेश जी के लिए। राकेश रोशन साहब से गुजारिश है कि आप भी आएँ स्टेज पे सर। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग, शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत, ज़ोरदार तालियां। और जिस डॉक्यूमेंट्री का मैंने नाम लिया, मैं अब उसके डायरेक्टर को बुलाना चाहता हूं। और एक मेरा सिर्फ डर यही है कि ये राजन सर की सबसे ज़्यादा सीक्रेट इस कमरे में अगर कोई जानता है तो वो शशि सर हैं। शशि रंजन के लिए ज़ोरदार तालियां बजे। मैं चाहूँगा कि आप यहाँ के कुछ कहें। आप बड़ा अच्छा बोलते हैं, पोइट्री करते हैं। मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप आके कुछ राज आज खोलें। बॉम्बे में तो डरने की बात भी नहीं, दुबई में थोड़ा डर भी लगता है। प्लीज़।
गुड इवनिंग लेडीज़ एंड जेंटलमैन, आप सबका स्वागत है राजन के बिहाफ पे। और राजन ने पुराना क्लिप दिखा दिया है तो अब मैं नए डायलॉग याद करना बड़ा मुश्किल है, लेकिन मुझे बेहद खुशी है और एक बहुत मुबारक दिन है कि जिस माँ ने आपको जन्म दिया, आज उसके बर्थडे पे आपकी किताब लॉन्च हो रही है। इससे बड़ा आशीर्वाद जो है शायद ही किसी को मिले, तो आप भाग्यशाली हैं कि आपकी माँ का आशीर्वाद, आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स आज सब यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हैं इसलिए कि आपकी ये जो किताब जिसके लिए आप इतने पैशनेटली इतने दिनों से लगे हुए हैं, उसका बॉम्बे में रिलीज़ हो रहा है। अब आप बॉम्बे में नहीं रहते हैं, लेकिन आपका दिल कहीं यहीं घूमता रहता है आसपास। सो खुशी है कि आज ये सब लोग यहाँ पर हैं और इस किताब का लॉन्च है। और इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मैं फिर एक बार कहूँगा कि यू हैव फॉलोड योर पैशन ऑल योर लाइफ and you have done it your way, wrong or right, who decides? So, but glad that you did things which you wanted to do, and I'm glad to be your friend. Thank you, Rajan.
थैंक यू गगन जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच। बहुत ज़्यादा वक्त ना लेता हुआ, मैं मौके की नज़ाकत को समझता हुआ शुरुआत करना चाहूँगा इन पंक्तियों से कि लम्हे लम्हे की सियासत पे नज़र रखते हैं, हमसे दीवाने भी दुनिया की खबर रखते हैं। लम्हे लम्हे की सियासत पे नज़र रखते हैं, हमसे दीवाने भी दुनिया की खबर रखते हैं। इतने नादा भी नहीं हम कि भटक कर रह जाएं, कोई मंजिल ना सही राह गुज़र रखते हैं। मार ही डाले जो बेमौत ये दुनिया वो है, मार ही डाले जो बेमौत ये दुनिया वो है, हम जो जिंदा हैं तो जीने का हुनर रखते हैं। इस कदर हमसे तगाफुल भी ना बरतो साहब, इस कदर हमसे तगाफुल भी ना बरतो साहब, हम भी कुछ अपनी दुआओं में असर रखते हैं। ये मैं राजन लाल जी की तरफ से कह रहा था, जिनकी माता जी की आज 130वीं वर्षगांठ है। उस दिन शुभारंभ हुआ है मुंबई में पुस्तक विमोचन का, इनकी बायोग्राफी का, इनकी आत्मकथा का, और आशीर्वाद हासिल किया है इसमें हमारे बहुत परम आदरणीय महंत जी, हमारे पुजारी जी, सलोखे जी का। और ये मैंने कहा था कि राजन लाल की तरफ से कि हम भी अपनी दुआओं में कुछ असर रखते हैं। दुआओं का असर देखिए, कितने रंगीन वातावरण है, कितने रंगीन लोग हैं, रंगारंग कार्यक्रम हो रहा है, सारे भूले बिसरे गीत, सारे पुराने दोस्त आज यहाँ इकट्ठे हुए हैं कि राजन ने उन पंक्तियों को चरितार्थ कर दिया है, वंस ए फ्रेंड ऑलवेज ए फ्रेंड। इनके 40-45 साल या 30-35 साल, अब हम लोग अपने देश के महान कलाकार, आइकॉनिक स्टार जितेंद्र को देखकर, या बगल में राकेश रोशन जो हैं हमेशा चर्चा में रहते हैं, और आज इनकी फिल्म नेटफ्लिक्स जो आई है, नेटफ्लिक्स पे रोशन, और जिस पे कंट्रीब्यूट किया, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण योगदान किसी ने दिया है तो शशि रंजन। ये लोग बैठे हैं और इनका ख्याल रखते हुए मैं कहूँगा कि अपनी दोस्ती की सीमा अगर आप 20-25 साल कर दें तो ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। 40-50 साल आप कह रहे हैं तो थोड़ी इमेज ख़राब होने की संभावना बनी रहती है। बहरहाल आपस की बात है। ये राजन लाल एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त इंसान हैं, दोस्त हैं। इनके बारे में सब ने वो बातें की हैं तो मैं भी रेपिटेटिव नहीं होना चाहूँगा, दोहराना नहीं चाहूँगा। मुझे याद आ रहा है जिन्होंने जिक्र किया सुनील दत्त साहब का, जो मेरे बड़े भाई समान थे, और मैंने उनको, ये मेरा सौभाग्य था कि मैंने इनको राजन लाल जी से मिलाया था। सिर्फ इनसे ही नहीं मिलाया था, उस वक्त शशि रंजन, हम लोग और राजन लाल, हम राजन लाल के घर पे बैठा करते थे। कुछ और घड़ियाँ भी हैं, जैसे मुंबई में राइट्स हुए, राइट्स में और कहीं जाने का नहीं था, हम ही चंद दिलेर लोग थे जो आके शाम को मुंबई के दंगा पीड़ित क्षेत्रों को पार करते हुए हम लोग आते थे, राजन लाल के घर बैठते थे, विचार विमर्श करते थे। और उसके साथ ही साथ वो जो संकट की घड़ी जब दत्त साहब पे आई, और ख़ासकर हमारा आपका हम सबों का लाडला, हालांकि आजकल लाडला कहने से मतलब बदल जाता है, लेकिन लाडला, और मैं मन की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं जानता हूँ मन की बात पे पेटेंट राइट किसी और का है, मैं इस वक्त दिल की बात कर रहा हूँ। और दिल की बात ये है कि हम लोग दिल से बहुत ही फिक्रमंद थे, बहुत ही कोशिशमंद थे कि कैसे इतना प्यारा इंसान, इतना अच्छा लड़का, सुनील दत्त का चश्मे चिराग, हम सबों के परिवार का बच्चा संजय दत्त को कैसे बाहर निकाला जाए, या कैसे वो बाहर आएँ, कैसे हम लोग उनके लिए कुछ कर सकें। हमारा सौभाग्य था कि हमारे ऊपर बहुत ज़्यादा महाराष्ट्र के एकदम शेर कहें या फादर फिगर कहें या गॉड फादर कहें, बाला साहब ठाकरे का हमारे ऊपर बहुत आशीर्वाद था, और हमने इन लोगों को बाला साहब ठाकरे से मिलवाया था। और ये भी कहना अतिशयोक्ति नहीं होगी कि बाला साहब ठाकरे का बहुत बड़ा योगदान था संजय दत्त के मामले में, उसके आने के मामले में, उसकी राहत के मामले में, सहूलियतों के मामले में, या बाहर निकलने के मामले में। उन्होंने हम सब ने मिलके और ख़ासकर उनके नेतृत्व में बहुत कुछ करने का हम लोग को सौभाग्य मिला। आज अगर संजय दत्त यहाँ होते तो बहुत अच्छा होता, क्योंकि हम लोग जिस दिन वो जेल से बाहर आए उस दिन भी हम लोग साथ थे। जेल से बाहर निकल कर संजय दत्त हमारे घर आए थे। हमारे घर आने के बाद फिर पूजा कहीं मंदिर गए थे, सिद्धिविनायक गए, फिर हमारे घर आए। हमारे घर से हम लोग सीधा राजन लाल जी के यहाँ आए थे। बाद में बहुत देर तक बैठे रहे उस दिन, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी बातें होती रहीं, मुबारकबाद देते रहे, बहुत बहुत उसको प्यार देते रहे। लेकिन बस कहानी वहीं पे थोड़ा सा कहानी में ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न आया कि अब उसके बाद कई बार हमने संजय दत्त को कोशिश की है, बड़ा प्यारा लड़का है, बड़ा अच्छा इंसान है, लेकिन कई बार हमने ढूंढने की, खासकर राजन लाल जी ने तो बहुत ही कोशिश की है, हमारे सामने भी कोशिश की है, हमारे ज़रिए भी कोशिश की है, लेकिन दत्त साहब का चश्मे चिराग अभी हमसे अगर ना मिला है, नहीं मिला है, तो उसके ऊपर एक टाइटल लग चुका है, ढूंढते रह जाओगे। वो ढूंढते रह जाओगे नहीं, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो प्यारा नहीं है, न्यारा नहीं, बहुत अच्छा, उसकी अपनी कुछ वजह होगी या कुछ परेशानियां होंगी या व्यस्तता होगी। बहरहाल अब किताब पे आ जाऊं। मैंने कहा था ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लूँगा, तो मैं किताब पे आ जाऊं। और किताब में कहूँगा कि इन्होंने आत्मकथा लिखी है, वो बायोग्राफी। उसमें 3 चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी होती हैं। आप में से कल कोई भी बायोग्राफी लिखना चाहे या सामने आए तो 3 चीज़ों का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। पहली, ऑनेस्टी और ट्रांसपेरेंसी, साहस, करेज, हौसला कि हाँ लिखना है, कहना है। दूसरी क्वालिटी होती है कि वो काबिलियत आपके अंदर, वो क्षमता होनी चाहिए, वो एबिलिटी होनी चाहिए कि आप अपने ग्रे साइड को भी बाहर लेकर आ सकें। ब्लैक एंड वाइट में तो सब जो करते हैं वो स्तुति गान होती है, कि आपके अंदर वो ग्रे साइड है उसको भी लाएं, ताकि नंबर 3 आपकी किताब इंस्पिरेशनल हो, मोटिवेशन हो उससे, खासकर यंगर जनरेशन का, कि देखो अच्छाइयाँ तो हैं, लेकिन अच्छाइयों के साथ साथ बहुत सारी खामियां, कमियां या बुराइयां भी हैं जो आपको इस किताब में देखने को मिलेंगी। जिन लोगों ने मुझसे कहा है, शशि रंजन जी तो खैर बहुत ही, ये तो इनके फैमिली फ्रेंड ही रहे हम लोगों की तरह, और ख़ासकर हमसे ज़्यादा। ये राकेश रोशन ने बता रहे थे, दुबई होकर आए, कि शायद रास्ते में पढ़ा होगा इन लोगों ने, आता किताब पढ़ी होगी, और बहुत ही तारीफ़ कर रहे थे कि साहब बहुत गट्सी आदमी है, आई डिड इट माई वे। ये पढ़ना आसान है, कहना और करना बड़ा मुश्किल है। करना भी हो सकता है आसान हो, मन लगता है, करना आसान इसलिए कह रहा हूँ कि हमारे बड़े भाई समान दोस्त हम सबों के धर्मेंद्र जी ने हमें सिखाया था, जब मैं स्ट्रगल करके नया स्टार बनने की कोशिश कर रहा था, तो उन्होंने सिखाया था कि देखो, हर सफल इंसान के पीछे किसी न किसी औरत का, स्त्री का हाथ होता है। यानी कोई भी सक्सेसफुल आदमी होता है, उसके पीछे किसी न किसी औरत का, अच्छी औरत का हाथ होता है। बाद में मैंने महसूस किया राजन लाल से मिलने के बाद कि किसी कामयाब इंसान के फेल या फ्लॉप होने के पीछे भी किसी न किसी औरत का हाथ पाया जाता है। इनके साथ ये तो नहीं कह सकता हूँ इनकी किसी औरत का, ये तो कई औरतों के मामले में मशहूर हैं या बदनाम हैं। अब ग्रे साइड भी तो बोलना पड़ेगा ना, तो मशहूर हैं या बदनाम हैं इन्होंने, बट ही हैज़ द करेज, इन्होंने महसूस किया, उसको पेन डाउन किया, एंड ये हाईली 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 अप्रिशिएटेड कि इतनी हिम्मत की। यानी 1 वुमन मैन एट ए टाइम, ये धर्म जी ने मुझे सिखाया था। वह इसका रिकॉर्ड तोड़ते हुए कोई नज़र आया तो हमारे दोस्त राजन लाल, जो मल्टीटास्किंग में बिलीव करने लगे और मल्टी वुमन एट ए टाइम हो गई है। गज़ब का भाई इनका मादा है, गज़ब का कैरेक्टर है। आई डिड इट माई वे, क्या नहीं किया। आज मैंने तीसरे पॉइंट पे बात करूं तो तीसरा पॉइंट जो है कि मोटिवेशनल होना चाहिए, इनकरेजिंग होना चाहिए, इंस्पिरेशनल होना चाहिए। वन मस्ट लर्न इन लाइफ ऑलवेज, स्पेशली द यंगर जनरेशन, कि व्हाट टू डू, बट साथ साथ इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट है व्हाट नॉट टू डू। आपको वो सारी बातें इसमें मिलेंगी ये राजन लाल की आई डिड इट माई वे में। इट्स अ वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस को इन्होंने, जर्नी को इन्होंने जिस तरह से पेन डाउन किया है, ये हमारे जिस तरह से लिखा और लिखवाया गया है, वो बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ़ है। और मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि इसकी बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ी है इनको। जिन लोगों ने सीखा व्हाट टू डू और जिन लोगों ने सीखा व्हाट नॉट टू डू, उनको वो सीख रहे हैं जो व्हाट नॉट टू डू, उनको याद रखना चाहिए कि आई डिड इट माई वे, भाई इसकी बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ रही है। आज तक ढंग से इनकी शादी नहीं हो सकी, ढंग से। वो इसलिए, हाँ, जहाँ हम लोग को लगता है, और शशि रंजन जी हमेशा कहते हैं कि राजन लाल की ये प्रॉब्लम नहीं रही कि किससे शादी करें, इनकी प्रॉब्लम ये रही कि किससे शादी ना करें। ये कन्फ्यूजन की कहानी है, एक क्लैश की कहानी है, ये डिटर्मिनेशन की कहानी है, ये संघर्ष की कहानी है, ये सक्सेस की कहानी है, ये रिपेंटेंस की कहानी है, ये अचीवमेंट की कहानी है कि एक आदमी आज राजन लाल को आप सिर्फ राजन लाल के नाम से जानते हैं। बहुत ही कम लोग ऐसे होंगे जिनके बारे में आप कह सकते हैं कि राजन लाल क्या है, कहाँ का है, नेशनलिटी क्या है, 99% लोगों को नहीं पता होगा। ज़ात क्या है, किसी को शायद नहीं पता हो। मज़हब क्या है, यहाँ को मानते हैं कि इज़राइल को मानते हैं कि इस्लाम को मानते हैं कि किस धर्म को मानते हैं, किस मज़हब को मानते हैं, बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता होगा। हाँ, इतना ज़रूर सब कोई जानते हैं और मानते हैं कि साईं बाबा को बहुत मानते हैं और साईं बाबा इनको बहुत ही आशीर्वाद देते हैं हमेशा। ये इनके बारे में बस सब कोई जानता है। राजन लाल, राजन लाल कह दीजिए तो कंप्लीट है, आगे पीछे कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। जब मैं देश का एक रिकॉर्ड कायम करता हुआ पहला हेल्थ मिनिस्टर बना था, कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर बना था, तो हमारे बच्चे छोटे छोटे थे, इन्हीं के बच्चों की तरह। तो कई बार अखबार में आता था कि हेल्थ मिनिस्टर शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा, कई बार नहीं आता था, सिर्फ आता शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा इनॉग्रेटेड दिस। तो किसी ने वो चिढ़ते थे कि अरे आपके नाम के आगे हेल्थ मिनिस्टर नहीं लिखा। तब हमारे कुछ लोगों ने समझाया बच्चों को कि देखो, कुछ पर्सनैलिटीज़ ऐसी होती हैं उनके बारे में लिखने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं। आपने शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा कह दिया, इसका माने शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा हैं। आज उससे ज़्यादा मैं समझता हूँ, जानता हूँ और मानता हूँ कि राजन लाल हैं। राजन लाल के नाम के आगे पीछे अब कुछ लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये सबके हैं, सर्वजन प्रिय हैं और सर्वदल प्रिय हैं। पॉलिटिक्स में इनकी कोई रुचि नहीं है, बट ही हैज़ बीन अ ग्रेट ऑब्जर्वर एंड अ ग्रेट सपोर्टर। लेकिन दूर से राजन लाल की पर्सनालिटी के बारे में ये भी कहा सकता है कि जितने दूर दुबई में है अभी, मगर उतने ही पास, दिल के बहुत करीब हैं। आई विश हिम ऑल द बेस्ट। मैं इनको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ, बधाई देता हूँ, शुभकामना देता हूँ, शुभाशीष देता हूँ। गॉड ब्लेस यू राजन लाल, लॉन्ग लिव राजन लाल। और इनके परिवार के प्रति हम अपनी पूरी संवेदना, पूरा प्यार उनको परिवार को अर्पित करते हैं और माँ को, परम आदरणीय माता जी को पुनः प्रणाम करते हैं। धन्यवाद। जय महाराष्ट्र, जय हिंद।
बस अब हम बहुत करीब पहुंच गए हैं बुक लॉन्च के। जैसा कि मैंने कहा है और बार बार कहा गया है कि आज सारे फ्रेंड्स मिल रहे हैं साथ में, और एक नाम जो अक्सर सुना गया है, जिनको स्क्रीन पे तो बहुत मज़ा आया। मैं गुजारिश करूंगा रंजीत साहब से, गोली सर से, कि वो भी आएँ स्टेज पे और कुछ दो शब्द कहें। गोली सर के लिए ज़ोरदार तालियां बजनी चाहिए, पीछे तक आवाज़। मैंने सुना था कि इंडिया में जो लोग हैं वो ज़्यादा रिएक्ट करते हैं सिनेमा में और स्टेज पे, तो एक ज़रा उसका प्रूफ दिया जाए। ज़ोरदार तालियां बजे। थैंक यू सर।
हाय
हाय गुड इवनिंग। ये जो अब मौका क्या है, मुझे तो पढ़ा लिखा इंसान नहीं हूँ, लेकिन इसने अंग्रेज़ी में किताब लिखी है राजन लाल ने। आई नीड समबडी एल्स टू ट्रांसलेट इट ऑल्सो। एंड अच्छे की जो मोमेंट्स है मिली है मुझे टेलीफोन पे, फ़ोन के ऊपर जो आपके बाइट्स आते रहे हैं, इंटरव्यूज़ आती रही हैं, अमेजिंग। एंड दिस इज़ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी ऑफ योर्स। जिन लोगों को मालूम है वो तो इन्जॉय करेंगे ही, जिनको नहीं मालूम है वो भी करेंगे। एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट राजन, एंड आई एम प्राउड टू बी योर फ्रेंड। आई डोंट नो व्हाट अबाउट प्राउड टू मी और नॉट, है ठीक है ना? तो आई एम ग्लैड आई कुड मेक इट। माई वाइफ इज इन पंचगनी, आई थिंक शी टोल्ड यू, अदरवाइज शिकायत नहीं करना तुम। मैं दुबई में जब भी जाता हूँ, राजन की यहाँ रहता हूँ, ये साला बढ़ता खिला खिला के मेरे को हॉस्पिटल भिजवा देता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओके, हाँ जी भाई साहब कहाँ है? पीछे
यहाँ पे जी प्लीज। और अभी चिराग की बात चल रही थी। राजन सर के 2 बेटे हैं। अमित यहाँ पर फॉर सम रीज़न नहीं आ पाए। मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि अमित लाल ने जो एक मैसेज दिया है मिस्टर राजन लाल के लिए, कैन वी वॉच दैट क्लिप प्लीज़?
What do I say about the book and Rajan Lal, my father? Well, everyone makes mistakes. Very few have the courage to own up to them, and I think my father must be the first one to write a book about it, because no one does that. Anyway, this is too private and personal, but this happened like in 1980. It started about 45 years back. I was only 9, my younger brother Nikhil was only 2. And it wasn't very common, divorce and separation in the 70s and 80s. It's a very difficult time for all of us. But now like Dad's 78, Mom's 77, I'm like almost 54, my brother's 47, Nikhil, and it's like a lifetime ago. All I'd like to say is that's in the past. But I feel sad that I didn't experience a family life and get to know my father as much as I'd like to. But I'd like to tell everyone out there that your true wealth is not money, it's family. So don't ever take family for granted and cherish every moment with them. And I love you, Papa, and all the best.
Thank you so much.
Orab, for coming to my dad's special occasion today. It's very nice to see a lot of faces from many years ago. I haven't seen you in 25 years, so it's really lovely to see that you guys have come back for this occasion today. So, I guess I've known my dad all my life, but I've only really known my dad in the last 25 years. Growing up as a teenager, I didn't know him well at all. When I went to college, I had this urge to get to know who my father was. And he was nice enough to, we had sent me to college and university in the United States. And when I came back, he really wanted me to join the business. And I thought this would be a good way of getting to know my father. So I joined the business in Dubai. I got to, be with him in very close quarters. And the experience was quite surreal. We lived in this small little apartment in Dubai, and we were starting a business, brand new business from scratch. And it was really amazing that it was a very small team, and me and my dad were kind of starting up this business. It was 1 year old when I joined. And it was surreal for the reason that I realized that I saw a lot of me in him, because he loved music, he loved parties, he loved the nightlife, fast cars, and other things, and I realized that I was also like that. And I guess not knowing your father through your whole life, you kind of, don't realize where those qualities come from. And living with him, it was quite surreal that I realized that this is exactly kind of who I am too, in a lot of ways. But the most surprising thing out of all that I found when I was with him was his dedication to his business and his dedication to his work. He was really quite amazing at how committed he was at work, his persistence, his attention to detail, his ability to develop relationships like the ones that he has developed here, which has lasted for years, 40, 50 years. How he puts people at ease within 5 minutes of meeting people. I mean, those are qualities that you don't see a lot nowadays. And that was a lot that I realized that I had to learn from him. And as you see him do business and as you see him, the way he operates, it's quite amazing because I saw him in some very difficult situations. I saw him in a lot of adversity, 2008, and the way he handled that adversity is something that no school, university, or anything will teach you. But that particular time taught me a lot. The way he handled things, the way he was absolutely fearless in the situations that he was in. And he came out of that, with a lot of persistence. I was very happy to be by his side through this process of 9, 10 years, which was very difficult. But I learned a lot by his side, when I saw how he handled and he designed the way he came out of it, which was amazing. And that fearlessness is something that the younger generation can really learn, that entrepreneurial fearlessness. I remember him telling me specifically, he said, you come into this world with nothing, and you're going to leave with nothing. So what's really to fear? And that's how he ran his business, and that's how he runs. And he doesn't care about what people think. He does what he thinks is right, and that's very, very brave. Nowadays, a lot of people always look at, how people will look at me and all that, and that's something that he doesn't care because he feels like this is who I am and I'm honest to myself. And I think that's a quality that we should always look up to. And it's that fearlessness that brought him to write this tell-all book, because it's not easy to talk about your failures. It's not easy to talk about your shortcomings. And it's not easy to talk about the things that you regret in life. And that fearlessness is something that I hope to imbibe. And that fearlessness is something that I really look up to him for. So, without any further ado, let me introduce my father, the fearless Mr. Rajan Lal.
Good evening, friends. And when I say friends, I'm talking 30, 40, 50, 60 years friends who are all here. And to begin with, I would like to thank my friend Shatruji for coming and gracing this occasion and honoring by your presence. I would thank my old friend Jituji, who hasn't spoken a word, but I'm going to make you speak at least few words for me, and Guruji, just a few words. I would like you to say whatever you like, I would like you.
I wish you a book. I did it my way. All the best. And I'm very happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you, Jituji. Gudu, would you like to say a few words? Because you've been quiet.
Good evening, everybody, and good evening, the handsome man. I still haven't read your book, but I'm going to read it very soon. And as you all watch the video, I would like to do some mistakes what you have done and be like you when I grow up like you. But I'll tell you one thing, his heart is like an octopus which has tentacles full of love. And I love him from that. Thank you, Rajan.
Friends, after I could make Jeetuji say something and Gudduji say something, I thank Shashi for saying so much about me and knowing me. We've known each other very well. And Shatruji for speaking so highly about me, one at a time. And Goli, you have been my friend for the last, I think, 40, 50 years. And we've had some fun times together, which I can't talk about. But we've had some fun times together. And most of all, I'd like to thank some of my old friends who've been with me. I think my oldest friend I'd like to start with is my friend from the first standard, my friends. From the first standard in school is here with me today, Mr. Stephen Pinto. Please give him a hand and please take a bow. Stephen. Stephen has been my chuddy buddy since first standard. He has been, of course, chairman of Citibank, chairman of Mashrak and all the other things, but that beside the point. He's been a friend. And he's been a friend in need. And when I started my business in Dubai, he was the chairman of Mashrak Bank. And he gave me a credit line without any leverage or without any collateral or mortgages. And I thank you for that, Stephen, for that help that you gave me when I started my life in Dubai. I honestly thank you. Asha, thank you so much for coming. My next friend whom I would like to thank is my old friend, Mr. Kiran Kapoor, who's from Kapoor Lamps. Kapoor, Kiran, would you like to please take a stand and bow? Kiran has flown in specially from Delhi today with his wife, Veena. And Kiran and me, we have a journey together where we started Kapoor Lamps in Bombay at Kala Ghoda and Linking Road with my own mentor and friend, our mentor, Mr. Ram Batra. And Kiran is here today with me. And thank you, Kiran and Veena, for coming so much and blessing us. And we've had a long journey together. And I'm so happy and blessed that you've been with me. I'd like to, another friend whom I can't stay without is my old friend, 50 years, Mr. Dinesh Nair. Mr. Dinesh Nair, please stand up and give him a round of applause. Mr. Dinesh Nair has been a 50-year-old friend with me, a guide, mentor, and so has Madhu. Madhu, thank you so much for everything. And he is I mean, for the last 3 days I've been here, 4 days. He has personally supervised everything that you see here. He's come here, stood, where will this be, where will that be? I mean, he's such a perfectionist and he's taking care of us like home. And Dinesh is been a friend besides in the garment business. He's the first man who gave me 1 crore of rupees to buy my building without any reason. He just called his accountant and he says, give him 1 crore, Rajan, go and buy the building, my ITL house which I had bought. I can never forget those gestures, you know. You've got to remember those people who've helped you during your journey. And Dinesh, thank you so much. And if it wasn't for you today, I wouldn't be standing here. I honestly agree. Pray for that. Thank you. I'd like to thank here so many people, you know, like I have my old friend Kiran Motwani. Are you here in the audience somewhere? He left? Okay, Kiran belongs to my college friend, our Gunda group, and Vinod Mehra was there, my friend. We were together. But in place of that, you know, I've got another friend of mine, Renu Chopra here. Renu, can you please take a stand and please come in forward and speak a few words. Renu Chopra is Mr. Ravi Chopra's wife, and Ravi has been a part of our gang in Bombay. Renu, can you please come here and speak a few words? I would like that. Come on, Renu. Renu, please come. Ravi was a close friend, and Renu has been really, I would call her a woman of substance. She has fought her way through, and she on her own has made a name for herself. Please give a big round of applause.
No, not at all. I feel so honored standing here next to you. And I feel so happy that you've asked me to represent Ravi, because you all go back so long, and it was beautiful. It was beautiful. And Rajan is the best friend, best host. When you go to Dubai, he spoils you rotten. One day the Bentley came, one day the Rolls Royce came, and I said, Rajan, no more. In the hotel, they were wondering, who's this guy who's sending me all the cars? But you've been a great friend, and it's an honor to be here.
Thank you, Renu.
All
Thank
the
you
best.
so much for coming. Thank you. Round of applause. I'm sorry I'm taking a little bit of your time because you must be getting hungry, but I can't stay without honoring another friend of mine, Mr. Ketan Desai. Will you please come on stage? Mr. Ketan, please. Ketan has been a great friend. Ketan and Kanchan have been a great friend. Ketan, please come forward and say a few words. And Kanchan, thank you so much for coming. And those who don't know, Ketan Desai is a celebrity, and he's the son of Mr. Manmohan Desai. And he's been a great friend and brother, and thank you so much. But before you say something, I have to admit something. I'm very sorry about one thing. Your testimonial was written and typed and kept ready for printing. The printer just forgot to put your testimonial in, he printed everybody else's. And I got to know about it much later, but I was told that I said publicly I must apologize for that, and it will be repeated in the second edition, definitely.
Please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rajan Bhai, for calling me for this lovely function. And it's an honor to be here and sitting with such esteemed dignitaries. All I want to say is congratulations on your book launch. You truly have the blessings of your mother, and a very auspicious day today. And also, Sai Baba, your belief in Sai Baba, your lovely temple in Dubai. God bless you, Rajan Bhai, and many more endeavors like this.
Thank you, Ketan. Last but not least, I'd like to call Manju Ramanan, my author of my book. Ladies and gentlemen, give her a huge round of applause. She's the one who's written my book and has been persistent with me and tolerant with me. Manju Ramanan has taken 4 years. We've taken 4 years to write this book, and it's our. I'm honored and pleasure that you have borne with me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Well, what can I say? I'm very honored to have met Mr. Rajan Lal and have written the book. Sorry? Okay. I'm very honored to have written this book, and thank you, all of you. I saw Jeetuji read the book, and I've taken a picture because that's something that I'll keep dear. And he shared his story with me, and I'm very happy to have written this book over the last 4 years, over thousands of cups of chai. His family, his entire family, Rengin is here. All his staff looked after me so well. And I have had the honor to meet a man so brutally frank about all the mistakes of his life. And the book's pictures are about 100 years old, from 1924 to 2024. So that's an archival part of the book, which I feel as a film journalist, we all should cherish and love. My fraternity is here. My mother has flown in from Baroda, and I'm very happy that she's here. And that's my table there. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the opportunity, and I truly cherish every moment of it. Thank you.
I've got so many friends here, over here sitting, some of my garment exporter friends, some of my other friends. One of my friends I can spot is Mr. Shailendra Singh, who's come here today especially. Shailendra, please, could you please stand up and come here and speak a few words bad about me? Thank you so much for coming, Shalu. And I would like to thank, last but not the least, Nikhil, my son, who's been a pillar of strength for me all these years during my days of bad health and ill health, which have been last 2.5, 3 years, and seen me through with my daughter-in-law, Nupur. I love you. Thank you so much. I'm missing my grandchildren, Anoki and Aniri, whom you left behind. And last but not least, I'd like to thank Rengin for being in my life. And thank you for being in my life. Thank you so much. I would like to thank all my friends from Dubai who have come, Mukesh Kochar, Sandeep Shah, Ajay Sonia, and everybody else, Mr. Sudhir Bora and Vanya, who've come all the way from Dubai for me, and I'm honored. And all my friends of the last 35, 40 years, thank you so much for coming, and without further ado, I'd like to release Poonamji. I am so happy that you're here, and I'm honored that you have come and blessed this occasion. I'm really honored. Anu, thank you so much for coming and being a friend always being by my side. Thank you so much. I would now like to ask Mr. Shatrughan Sinha to release the book and have an official release.
I did it my way. Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. Zordar Talia, come on. I did it my way, written by Manju Ramanan. शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत आप सभी का यहाँ आने के लिए, और राजन सर ऑल द बेस्ट. ये जो बुक है इससे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा पढ़ने वालों को. जितने भी दोस्त आए हैं शुक्रिया बहुत बहुत. ड्राइव सेफ, गुड नाइट. वी ऑल्सो हैव वन AV फॉर यू जो आप डिनर करते करते देख सकते हैं.
बड़ी देर कर दी हुजूर आते आते। खिलाते क्या?
खिलाते नहीं हो। क्या कर रही हो? प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रही हो? बोल रही हो?
अरे वो शेखर सर वैसे ही दिखते हैं जितने 25 साल पहले से मैं जानती हूँ।
ये सब भी तो वैसे ही दिख रहे हैं।
नहीं, उनमें से कुछ लोगों के बच्चे आ गए हैं जिनके फादर्स थे। I've already finished. I'm going. Yeah, it's all over.
It's all over?
Yeah, मतलब it's all over means you meet Rajan, but So मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि पहली बात तो बहुत प्राउड फील हो रही कर रही हूँ बिकॉज फाइनली राजन जी ने जो करना चाहते थे, अपने बारे में बुक लिखना चाहते थे, उन्होंने कर दिया और इतने ग्रैंड स्टाइल में रिलीज़ किया। राजन जी शायद बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं, वो मेरे जेठ हैं और इनके भाई से मेरी शादी हुई थी और उन्होंने ही शादी कराई थी। और हम अब तो खैर आई एम नॉट मैरिड टू हिज ब्रदर, बट जो कुनी का लाल है ना, वो लाल यही है अब वो लाल नहीं है मेरे इस नाम पे, बट दे आर स्टिल फैमिली एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी फॉर हिम and I really wish him all the best, and I hope this book has not only one edition but 10 more editions, and God bless him. And it's very nice कि मेरी सासू माँ के जन्मदिन पर उन्होंने लॉन्च किया है, तो मम्मी की ज़रूर ब्लेसिंग्स भी उन पर होंगी ज़रूर।
Thank you. Rajan I've known for many years and मेरे बहुत करीबी दोस्त रहे हैं और इनका सफ़र जो है as an entrepreneur और as a guy who started dubbing movies in Hindi cinema, the South Indian films in Hindi cinema, and my journey of doing various things started together, and we have shared hundreds of memories, good, bad, ugly, and I'm very glad that after so many years he's come out with a book, and I say it's a very courageous thing to talk about your life, to be naked in front of people, telling them things as they are. Not many people have the guts to do that, but he did that, and I admire him for that. I have admired Rajan for many other things, that he has been a great host all his life. As you must have heard, everybody who knows him says the same thing, that he has a golden heart, and I'm so happy. And in a way, I really admire him, that I wish I could imbibe certain qualities of his life. Like he lives life king size, and that's a great quality. I wish him all the best on the release of this book, and I'm sure readers will enjoy his journey, his debacles, his faults, and when somebody accepts his faults, the success path starts. Congratulations. Who's making a movie? Me? I don't know. I don't know whether a film could be made, because film is a different business altogether. But so far as book is concerned, I'm sure that he has very interesting thing to tell. Thank you.
चल पारुल पूछ चल पूछ थैंक यू Honestly, if anybody is honest, he is. He really doesn't give a damn. He will say what he wants because he does what he wants and he doesn't care about the consequences. He lives life his way. He does things what make him happy, what suit him, and somehow it's worked for him. So that's it. I like it. I've reached an age today where I'd rather be brutally honest than go home and sweat it out and not sleep and have sleepless nights. I'd rather tell you, Parul, you are shit, and get over with it in 5 minutes. It'll hurt you for 2 minutes. You're over and done with because you realize why I called you shit, and we're on. And I think it's high time, yeah. Both ho gaye to please. You live your life to please others, yeah. Ab himmat nahi hai. There's no energy left to try and do things for others. You've got to do it for yourself. And I think this is the way Rajan's always been. It's a good... I don't ever judge people, and that is the way I have been. I don't. I have my comments to make. I'm not judging why they did it, why, but whether I like it or not, or whether I agree or not, I will say. But I'm not judging their decision to do anything at all. Yes, I have experienced betrayal. We've had people, we were kids, we had boyfriends, we had friends who left us. They were and you thought that time your heart was broken, whether it was a boyfriend or whether it was a girlfriend. But all of a sudden they leave, they're like distant dreams. I don't even remember now. But us waqt, they were the biggest thing that has happened to us. And yes, that is called betrayal at its highest level, because at that moment, that person was the most important person to you. Today, I may turn around and say, yo, what was I thinking? But no, at that time, that was what meant everything to me. Thank you. Thank you. Now everybody can pack up. Go ahead.